So while I'm here in Samui, I'm looking at options for burning season. Maybe a short-term lease for a month or two. We'll see. I don't know. I'm here in the Mae Nam Beach area, and just looked at this little bungalow. We're gonna walk over, see how far the beach is from here. Whoa, look at it out there. Very dark. Who told Warunee to bring umbrella? I said, bring the umbrella from the room, because I got my umbrella.
I get it.
I don't think so. All right, so what do we get here? So hotel this way. I think just the beach is right down here, no? Can we go through here? I don't know. Where is Mae Nam Beach? What does it say right there? On the beach. What does that mean? Ask if this is public to beach or where the public access to beach is.
ยามชายฝั่ง public ค่ะ
Okay. Very close to the beach. If I get this little bungalow here, I could come and just probably buy drinks here, relax, and hang out. Okay. So this is Mae Nam Beach. It's okay. Different. Look at the waves over here, huh, babe? Big. Okay, so she talked to the security guard here, right outside the beach, because it's like a hotel here. There's a street at the bungalow. I was looking at the bungalows, and it's like a resort here.
Everyone can come. Everyone can.
Okay.
But you cannot parking like
Right. There's nowhere to park if you don't live around here. Right. Okay. Okay, so that's good for me. If I get a place over here, I can come down to the beach. I just wanted to be, if I get a place, I want to be right by the beach so I can just go swimming every morning or something in the ocean, you know, enjoy island life. This bungalow I'm looking at, 100 meters from the beach.
I explain. This soil, the owner from bungalow, right? But they keep to public for use, can use together.
All right, this is the little bungalow here. Let's go take a look inside. Okay, this is the inside of this little bungalow cottage. Little living room. I'm considering this just a one-bedroom little bungalow. There's a little kitchen. I like this little area. Pretty cool. There's an amazing big porch here. What's back here? Another patio or just a little okay. So at least maybe there's parking out front of this one. That's the one that they have the picture of, this one. That's the one on Facebook. They have the picture of that one.
Oh.
It's clean. They have aircon in this one. One thing I don't like is this bed is hard as a rock. It's like a box spring, not a mattress. I don't understand why they do this in Thailand here. It's like I don't get it. I don't get it. All right, let's go look around the neighborhood here. So down the street from this bungalow I looked at, it's a little beach bar called Moon Hut. I think it's also a resort. They got like little bungalows here right on the water. Ooh, it's starting to rain a lot now. Look at this. Woo, getting nasty out here. Look at that bungalow. That's like the one I had in Koh Lipe, right on the water. All right, about 10 minutes, 3.6 kilometers from this place I'm looking at is Fisherman's Village. So pretty convenient location. Maybe a little far to walk, not bad on a motorbike. Not bad on a motorbike. I don't know if I would keep a car here or a motorbike or nothing or both. Who knows? This is your first time at Fisherman's Village, huh?
My first time in here, my first time in Samui.
What do you think? Amazing, huh?
Good.
We just come. We haven't seen anything yet.
For me.
Yeah. Oh, it's very wet though. Look at this. Look at this. All this rain. I know this place can get flooded too. This Samui. There's different areas on Samui that get really flooded. That's a concern of mine, but I probably won't spend too much time here during the rainy season. I don't know. When it's nice in Bangkok, I'll be in Bangkok. When it's nice here, I'll be here if I move here. We'll see. I'm in the rain here in Bangkok, Koh Samui. Gonna show you a pool villa right down this street. And you come down the street, and this is what it looks like down here. Got the steakhouse here, and I don't know if you can see. I'll see if I can sneak through here. The beach is right here. Massage shops. What a quaint little town this is. 7-Eleven at the corner. It's a very nice little area here. If you bought the pool villa here and you don't want to swim in the pool, you want to go to the beach, you just come over here, straight down your soy, walk through this little, I would call it like an easement between the businesses. Takes you right down to the beach. Look at this. Wow. There's 4 monkeys. The tide is in, but this would be very nice when the tide is out. So this is the living area. You got the living room, kitchen, all open air. And I want to show you guys the coolest thing about this place here. Go ahead and open the door wall there, Warunee. Yeah, go ahead and open that up. This whole thing will become like open air, like part of the outside. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, I've been in some of these pool villas like this. You didn't know that it was going to be that big, huh? Look at this. Just opens right up to the pool. Very, very nice. There's the master bedroom there. Let's see if...
Okay. Open. Yes. Okay. It's bedroom. And this one, toilet, bathroom.
Well, that's the in-laws suite over there. Very awesome. Have your relatives come and they don't even got to be in the main house with you. Just say, stay over there and leave me alone. Got a nice area for a laundry room. This is the 1/2 bath off the living room and dining room. And I'll show you the 2 main bedrooms. First, we'll show you the extra bedroom. Has its own full bath with shower. And this is it. Little bedroom. Looks out to the garden area. Got a nice closet though. 2 sides. Now this master is pretty nice. Got this area here for makeup or whatever, or a desk. Big closet, big closet. Nice big bathroom. And you get all these different door walls with the, what do you call that? The frosted glass. So it's not one of those deals where you don't get the privacy. Nice frosted glass. She's so ready to jump in that pool. And this is it. This is it. This could be yours. About 400,000 US dollars right here on Koh Samui Island. Down from the mountains, close to the beach. This is the main entrance. I'll show you that in the garage. Got a shower here for the pool. Little garden area. I'll show you that garage in a second. So this is another huge door wall on this side of the dining room. Can you imagine just the airflow you would have when you open this side and have this open? My God, you probably never need to use air conditioning here. All kinds of ceiling fans here, all the bedrooms. Wow. So here's the main entrance there that goes into that front door area off this, which is the garage. Or I don't know, the parking spot. I wouldn't really call it a garage, but the door does shut here. It's a big sturdy door. And if you're interested in this one and you don't get it quick enough, doesn't look like much now, but it will be building two more similar units to this one. And you can see right there the mountains, and this is Soi 4. Go out there and you're at the beach. So I made a decision about the bungalow I was looking at renting, and I'm not going to do it for the reasons that, number one, right now is mid-December. It could get smoky at the end of December. It may not get smoky till the end of February. This could happen anytime, so I don't want to lock into anything too early and not know what's going on. Number two, I get too bored at one place, I think. You know, for me to get a secondary place during the burning season when I already kind of have it a little bit in my mind, I want to travel around to many different places. I do love Koh Samui, and you know, one day maybe I will find a permanent residence here if that's what I decide to do. But somehow in my mind I think I could get really bored eventually in one neighborhood. An island like Bangkok's just so big and massive, I can do different things every day. Here, even though it'll be a great spot for the burning season, you know, I think like if I go for 1 month maybe to Da Nang or go South America, I just have a lot of different things I'm looking at that I won't get as bored. You know, I think here, after about 2 weeks in that little bungalow in Mae Nam, I could go swimming every morning, go to the beach, but I think I'll get a little bored and probably hit every restaurant in Mae Nam after 2 weeks. So I'm just gonna wait it out, see when it starts getting smoky, and probably go with my original plan, just jump on a flight somewhere. Now, I did see another bungalow here, $9,000 a month. That one was $25,000, but I don't think it'll be as close to the water. Anyways, that's it. You know, hopefully you enjoy this little kind of property tour in Samui. If you're interested in that house, it's in Thai title. You know, I don't know about the Thai title company. I'm not really sure, but if you're interested in it, you know, shoot me an email. And Warunee is friends with the owner. They asked us to make the video, and we'll get you hooked up. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and catch you in the next video. Greeny out.